Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is thermometry. The paper heat and thermodynamics. In this topic that is thermometry, the following points are included. Point first is types of thermometers. Second thing is centigrade and Fahrenheit scale. Third point is relation between Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit and Rankine scale. And fourth one is platinum resistance thermometer. Then we are going to discuss about Seebeck effect. So students, before going to this, we will discuss about the introduction of thermometry. So we know that heat always transfer from hot body to a cold body due to difference in temperature. Now the sensation of heat can be experienced by touching to a hot or a cold body. The hot body is said to possess a higher temperature and then the cold one. But the sense of touch is just qualitative, while scientific accuracy requires that heat, the physical quantity, should be measured and expressed in numerical terms. Now, further, the measurements must be accurate and expressed in numerical terms and easily reproducible. It is our common experience that when two bodies are brought in contact, there is a change in their properties such as volume, pressure, etc. due to exchange of heat. Finally, an equilibrium state is reaches, after which there is no further change. The two bodies are then said to be in thermal equilibrium with each other. In this state, the two bodies are said to have the same temperature. Therefore, in short, we say that heat can be defined as transfer of energy. Now, the temperature of system can be defined as the property that determines whether or not the body is in thermal equilibrium with the neighboring system. If a number of systems are in thermal equilibrium, this common property of the system can be represented by a single numerical value called temperature. Now, it means that if two systems are not in thermal equilibrium, they are at different temperature. That is, the measurement of temperature of a body accurately is one of the most important branch of heat in physics. It also becomes necessary to measure high temperature and low temperature. To make this measurement possible, it is essential to construct a suitable scale of temperature. The scale chosen must be accurate and the temperature measured on this scale must be correct. Therefore, the branch of heat relating to the measurement of temperature of a body is called thermometry. I repeat, the exact definition of thermometry is the branch of heat relating to the measurement of temperature of a body is called thermometry. Thermometer is an instrument used to measure the temperature of the body. Now we will discuss about the construction of thermometer. The physical property of a scale plays an important role in the construction of thermometer. There are different types of thermometer. In a mercury thermometer, the principle of expansion of mercury with rise in temperature is used. The platinum resistance thermometer is based on the principle of the change in resistance with change in temperature. As temperature increases, there is a change in resistance. Therefore, the next thermometer, that is the gas thermometer, is based on the principle of change in volume or pressure with change in temperature. Thus, for the construction of thermometer, the proper choice of substance whose physical property varies uniformly with rise in temperature is essential. Now, how to calibrate the thermometer? That is calibration of thermometer. When a thermometer is constructed, it should be properly calibrated. The fixed point are selected for calibrating a thermometer. The melting point of ice, boiling point of water, melting point of silver and melting point of gold are taken as fixed point. The scale are built by dividing the interval between the two fixed points into equal parts. Therefore, sensitivities, the instrument once constructed and calibrated should also be sensitive. The thermometer will be sensitive if it can detect even very small changes in thermometer temperature. आपण एखादं इन्स्ट्रुमेंट किंवा थर्मामीटर हे ॲक्युरेट आहे हे केव्हा सांगू शकतो? जर थोडा जरी टेम्परेचरमध्ये बदल आला तर आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये काय झालं पाहिजे, व्यवस्थित थर्मामीटरवरती दिसलं पाहिजे. त्याच्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, रेड कलरचा पारा जो थर्मामीटरमध्ये असतो तो आपल्याला योग्य रीतीनं त्याचं टेम्परेचर दाखवत असतो. इट शोज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ बॉडी इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम. It does not take large quantity of heat for its own heating from the body whose temperature is being measured. Now, some constants are given. The fixed point, that is melting point of tungsten, ice point, melting point of silver, melting point of gold, boiling point of oxygen, boiling point of sulfur. These are the fixed point, and the temperature it gives in degrees Celsius. Now we will see the melting point of tungsten, which is used in bulb, that is tungsten. The temperature, that is degrees Celsius, 3380 degrees Celsius, the melting point of tungsten. There, that is why we are used this tungsten filament into the bulb. The scientist Edison, who discovered that the tungsten filament having the more the highest temperature, that is fixed melting point, which is 3380. That's why we are using the tungsten in as a filament in electrical bulbs. So then fixed point of ice point, that is 0 degree. Melting point of silver, it is 960 degrees Celsius. Melting point of gold, which is having 1063 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of oxygen, which comes under minus 180.97 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of sulfur, which is having 444.60. This is all about the melting point, boiling point of the elements, and what is exactly the melting and boiling point of the given element that we have seen. Now we'll see discuss about types of thermometer. There are different types of thermometer we use as a laboratory purpose. We use a liquid thermometer, that is mercury thermometer. So there are different types of thermometer, as you know. uh, the first thermometer is, you can say it as liquid thermometer. These thermometer are based on the principle of change in volume of liquid, which is having inside a thermometer, there is having fine capillary tube, and in that fine bore the mercury substance mercury is filled, and as temperature increases, mercury uh, goes increases, and it shows what is the temperature of the given substance. These thermometer are based on the principle of change in volume of liquid with change in temperature. Mercury and alcohol thermometer are based on this principle, that is liquid thermometers. In the construction of liquid thermometer, it is also known as liquid in gas thermometer. Inside a thermometer, there is a scale which is having the point 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and there is a working liquid. You can say it as a mercury. We can say it as this mercury as a working liquid, and a reference point, as I have discussed earlier, the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, these are the reference point to show the temperatures. And at the last bottom of the thermometer, there is a bulb which is having mercury inside it. So the range of mercury thermometer is minus 39 degrees Celsius to 357 degrees Celsius. The alcohol thermometer are used only to measure the temperature near ice point. I repeat, the alcohol thermometer are used only to measure temperature near ice point. These thermometers are suitable for a narrow range of measurements. Then mercury is usually selected for use in liquid in glass thermometer for following reasons. Why we are using mercury in the thermometer?